Okay, hi students. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. I have already discussed about previous video problems to solve using magic triangle. Now today discuss about topic properties of triangles, main concept, problems on sine rule. Okay, yeah, first one, in triangle ABC is such that A cos A is equal to B cos B, then the triangle is right angled, isosceles, right angled or isosceles. Fourth one, equilateral triangle. Okay, now here given data, A cos A is equal to B cos B. Now, according to sine rule, small a is equal to 2r sine A cos A is equal to 2r sin B cos B. Okay, now r cancel. 2 sin A cos A sin 2A. Okay, now sin 2A is equal to sin 2B. Okay, now 2A is equal to 2B. Now A is equal to B. And here also sin 2A equal to sin 2B. Here also can be write sin 2A is equal to sin 180 minus 2B. Okay, sin 180 minus 2B is sin 2B. Therefore, now here 2A is equal to 180 minus 2B. Okay, now 2A plus 2B is equal to 180. 2A plus 2B is equal to 180. Now A plus B is equal to 90. Now sum of the two angles is equal to 90. Now another angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, therefore given triangle is here A is equal to B and one of the angles C is equal to 90 degrees, right angled or isosceles. Therefore third one is the correct one. Second one, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:10. Then the ratio of the smallest side to the greatest side is. Okay, now angles are in the ratio A is to B is to C is equal to 3:5:10. Okay, now A by 3 is equal to B by 5 is equal to C by 10 is equal to K. Okay, by cross multiplication A is equal to 3K. Now B is equal to 5K. Now C is equal to 10K. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Okay, A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Okay, now 18K is equal to 180. Now K is equal to 10. Now K is equal to 10 means now A is equal to 30. Now A is equal to 30. B is equal to 50. And C is equal to 100 degrees. Okay, A is equal to 30 degrees, B is equal to 50 degrees, C is equal to 100 degrees. Now here the ratio of the smallest side to greatest side. Smallest side, greatest side. Smallest side to greatest side. Now here smallest side is the smallest angle, greatest side is the greatest angle. Smallest side is the smallest angle, greatest side is the greatest angle. Now smallest angle 30 degrees, greatest angle 100 degrees. Now sin 30 is to sin 100. Okay, sin 30 value 1 by 2 is to sin 90 plus 10. Okay, sin 90 plus 10 cos 10. 1 by 2 is to cos 10. Okay, 1 is to 2 cos 10. 1 is to 2 cos 10. Therefore, fourth one is the correct one. Okay, next third one. In triangle ABC, A is equal to 30 degrees, small b is equal to 8, small a is equal to 6, and b is equal to sine inverse x. Then x is equal to. Okay, now here given b is equal to sine inverse x. Now x is equal to sine b. Okay. Now according to definition of inverse trigonometric functions, b is equal to sine inverse x. Now x is equal to sine b. Now we know that sine rule, a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by sine c is equal to 2r. Now here condition a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by sine c is equal to 2r. Now you take any one, a by sine a is equal to, we know that a by sine a is equal to, according to sine rule, b by sine b. Okay, a by sine a is equal to b by sine b. Now here given data by cross multiplication, first here a sine b is equal to b, a sine b is equal to b sine a. A sine b is equal to b sine a. Okay, now sine b, you want sine b, x value means sine b is equal to b sine a by a. Okay, now sine b is equal to small b value are given 8 into sine a value, now angle a given 30 degrees, sine 30 by small a value are given 6. Okay, now 8 into sine 30 value 1 by 2 by 6. Okay, 2 ones, 2 fours. Okay, 4 by 6, 2 twos, 2 threes is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, sine b is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, sine b 2 by 3 means now here sine b is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Okay. Next, fourth one. In triangle ABC, b square plus c square by b square minus c square equal sine b plus c by sine b minus c. Then the triangle is. Okay. Now, this one according to a by b is equal to c by d. A by b is equal to c by d. Given expression in the form a by b is equal to c by d. Now using componendo dividendo rule. Okay, CD rule. A plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. This one CD rule. Okay, now here apply CD rule. A by b is equal to c by d means now b square plus c square plus b square minus c square by b square plus c square minus b square plus c square is equal to now sine b plus c plus sine b minus c by sine b plus c minus sine b minus c. Okay, now here c square cancel, b square cancel. 2b square by 2c square is equal to now sine a plus b plus sine a minus b, 2 sine a cos b, 2 sine b cos c by sine a plus b minus sine a minus b, 2 cos a sine b, 2 cos b sine c. Okay, now here 2 cancel and here also 2 cancel. Now here small b small c is there. Now according to sine rule, small b is equal to 2r sine b. Okay, now 2r sine b whole square by now small c 2r sine c whole square is equal to sine b cos c by cos b sine c. Okay, now here 4r square sine square b, 4r square sine square b, 4r square cancel, sine square b by sine square c is equal to sin b cos c by cos b sin c. Okay, now here square sin b cancel, square and sin c cancel. Okay, now by cross multiplication, okay, sin c cos c, sin b cos b. Okay, now sin b cos b is equal to sin c cos c. Okay, both sides multiply with 2. 2 sin b cos b is equal to 2 sin c cos c. Now sin 2b is equal to sin 2c. Now sin 2b is equal to sin 2c. Now 2b is equal to 2c. 2b is equal to 2c. Now b is equal to c. And here also sin 2b is equal to sin 180 minus 2b. Sin 180 minus 2b. Okay, now 2b is equal to 180 minus 2b. 180 minus 2c. Okay, now here 180 minus 2c. Now b plus c is equal to 90. Now angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Now here b is equal to c and angle A is equal to 90 degrees. But here, now according to this one, now suppose here b is equal to c. B is equal to c means sin 0. Anything by 0 does not exist. Therefore, here b is equal to c does not exist. Therefore, only given triangle is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Next to fifth one. If the perimeter of the triangle is 6 times the arithmetic mean of the sine angles and side A is a unity, then A is equal to, okay, first one pi by 6, okay, second one pi by 3, third one pi by 2, okay, next fourth one pi by 4. Okay, now according to this one, perimeter means, now let us consider a triangle ABC. Now side A, small b, small c. Now A plus B plus C is called a perimeter of the triangle. It is denoted by 2S. 2S is equal to perimeter. Now S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, according to this one, perimeter of the triangle 2S is equal to 6 times of the arithmetic mean of the sine angles. Sine angles means now here angles A, B, C. Sine angles arithmetic means, now consider two letters A, B, two letters. Arithmetic mean of AB means A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. Now here arithmetic mean of sine angles means sin A plus sin B plus sin C by 3. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C by 3. Okay, 3 ones, 3 twos. Here 2 to cancel. Okay, S value A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, now sin A value according to sine rule A by 2R plus B by 2R plus C by 2R. Okay, now A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to A plus B plus C by 2R. Now LCM 2R, A plus B plus C. Okay, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C cancel, 2 to cancel. Therefore, R is equal to, capital R is equal to 1. Now R is equal to 1. But here find angle A means, now according to sine rule, sin A is equal to A by 2R. A by 2R. Now here given since side A is unity, therefore A is equal to 1. Therefore 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 means sin 30, sin pi by 6, sin pi by 6. Therefore, angle A is equal to pi by 6. Angle A is equal to pi by 6. Therefore, first one is the correct one.